What's up internet, Steemy Coinz here once again. Thanks for checking out the video. Alright guys, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to these videos. Try to put one out every day, just covering my investment journey through the cryptocurrency space. Alright, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. This is just my opinions. Alright. Yeah, so what we're seeing on the screen, a website called Coin Paprika. So basically it just lists all the cryptocurrencies, at least the more popular ones, and just show you the price action, how they're trading, and just different data points on it. Generally overall it looks like the market is taking profits. Alright, so there's a slight pullback, still well within bullish territory. Bitcoin at $7,800, Ethereum $245, and as you can see the list just goes down. TRON, my personal favorite, is up over the past 7 days. It's up to 0.027 cents, which is very good. All right, let's take a look here. Zcash $76. So generally, yeah, the market's looking bullish. When you see red here in the last hour, traders just taking some profits off the top. Yeah, so let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Now let me switch to, where do I have my chart here? I think I have it on Coinbase. So switch to Coinbase. It'll show those lines that I drew up. Come on, computer. Alright. Yeah, so trading at 7,800. This is the daily chart, by the way. We had the run up, almost exponential run up. Well, yeah, you can call it exponential. Huge amount of trading volume. Look at this. Look at this. This is the volume. So huge amount of trading volume. We went up. It looks like we're starting to have a retracement now, which is a good thing. And you see these candles here. The red one, that means a lot of seller strength. The second red one was pretty powerful, and then it pulled back. The third one looking pretty weak. The fourth candle right here, it's a green, a huge sell order, a huge buy order cleared. All right, so that's pushing that up. We are looking at a little bit of a pullback. We'll see how this candle closes out, but generally it does appear to still be going up. So let me zoom out here again. Yeah, we're basically testing a resistance level. I'd say about here, 8,200. We're definitely testing a resistance level that looks like a previous resistance level. Let me just grab my tool here, see where that takes us. All right, so yeah, okay, so it looks like we're using that to form support. All right, previous resistance level. So you can see it's a lot of traders that are on this right now, because it's following the support and resistance rules. So yeah, so we might just bounce off this blue line, continue to go up. I'm gonna try to call the next level of resistance if we go up. Pretty easy to call. I'll say it's about here. Grab that tool. Probably about there. Next level of resistance. Definitely. You see it's touching the lines up there, and all the way back here in the past it touched that line a couple times. It seemed to consolidate around that line here, and yeah, touched that a couple times. So definitely a resistance level. I'd say it's a strong one, but I believe we're gonna clear it soon. Even though I would not mind if it just bounces around in this channel for a while. That would be healthy. So that would be just solidifying this support line here. also solidifying this resistance line. But a lot of traders are gonna really want it to bounce around in this section so that they can you know, collect more at these prices. But it's not gonna stay here for too long. I am very sure of that. It's not gonna stay there for too long. Hopefully we don't break down, or maybe we should break down. So there's a run up here. I wouldn't mind if it went back to 6. I don't think I really want to see that though. It would give me an opportunity to collect even more, but I think I'm at the point now where I don't mind just trading for Bitcoin, just trading back and forth to gain more Bitcoin. I don't think I really want to see another $6,000 Bitcoin, but it's definitely possible. It's definitely possible, even somewhat probable. But yeah, so that's that. Let's take a look at Zcash now. Let's see here. So this is a trade I'm setting up for Zcash to Bitcoin. So I'm gonna sell my Zcash for some Bitcoin. I am thinking about jumping out at 20% when it hits here. No specific reason, because we are so well below any previous lines of support or resistance. To me, that level just represents a decent place to take profits in the short term. Alright, I believe it might retrace around here, or maybe even around here, but I'm definitely going to look for that retracement. And then once it retraces and then goes sideways a little bit and consolidates and form some sort of support, I will be buying more. And I drew this line up here. This is a point where I am going to take some sell maybe most of my Zcash holdings for Bitcoin. Maybe this might be a long time from now, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm definitely gonna be in a different position than I am now financially, so the decision might be different, and it also depends on how Zcash performs, you know, by the time it gets here. But yeah, that's Zcash. I also have some Litecoin. So I'm looking for a trade on my Litecoin to US dollar. Litecoin, Coinbase. Yeah, so the plan is I'm trying to sell it when it hits around 109. That's the plan. We got close. We got really close. I thought I was there, but we came back. We retraced. We met this support line. Touched it. It seems like we might consolidate a little bit, but the overall outlook is still bullish on this. So I picked this up at $79, like right around here. Alright, so I'm trying to sell it at 110. Let me see how much percentage gain that is actually. 42%. It's about a 42% gain. Once it touches that, just gonna hold on to that 42% plus what I sold, wait for another retracement, jump back in. Alright, so yeah, so that's the plan. Alright, so let me take a look at what is going on the TRON network. Alright, so this is a DEX, a decentralized exchange on the TRON blockchain. Alright, this one's called TRON Trade, and all these tokens are tokens built on top of TRON. The big one, the big fat elephant in the room, BitTorrent. For whatever reason, in this mode it doesn't show the correct chart. This is not the BitTorrent chart. I don't know why he keeps doing that. I talked to the admins about that. Maybe somebody see this video can help me. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, so maybe somebody can let the admins know that this is not the right chart. Okay, just look at this picture, memorize this. This is the 4-hour chart, right, for BitTorrent. I'm gonna just go to a different view. Go to a different view here. 4 hours. So you guys tell me, is that the same chart that we just looked at? Nope, completely different. Anyways, BitTorrent, the big monster in the room, elephant in the room I meant to say. Awesome opportunity to make a lot of Tron or Bitcoin, whichever you choose to sell it for. But yeah, their token, not the token, their software is coming out by the end of Q2. We're almost at the end of Q2, guys. I'm trying to get as much of this as possible. I think I am actually going to try to get 500,000 of this. I think I'm going to try to get 500,000 of this and just sit on it for a long time, actually. This is going to be huge once the software comes out. There are a lot of users. There are 100 million users already in place for the BitTorrent software. Already active users, 100 million. When you add the cryptocurrency and the new software, you incentivize that 100 million users to use it even more aggressively. Plus, you will bring in brand new users because of the incentives to earn cryptocurrency, torrenting, all right, using the Bitcoin protocol. I'm sorry, the BitTorrent protocol. Doing file sharing, basically. You know what we used to do with Napster back in the day, and then bear share? Yeah, that. Doing that, you'll be earning cryptocurrency. So this one has so much potential in it, and I'm gonna try and get 500,000 of it. All right, so yeah, I just bought some today too. I just bought like 2,000, not much. I also have this trade in here, IGG. I will be getting out of this soon. I'm actually waiting for it to get back to these levels. I think I might just sell half my bag. Let's see here. Bring out this tool. Alright, so right here, previous highs, 50%. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna set a big sell order for half of my bag. I have almost 200,000. It's gonna set a sell order for that. Bam, just dump it. Dump half. With the other half, not sure. I might actually just buy more BitTorrent tokens. All right, so yeah, so this is looking good. On this DEX, been making a decent amount of profit, just trading back and forth on the DEX. Not as heavy into the DAPPS as I once was, at least some, because the DAPP space needs to grow. There has been a lot of scams, stuff like that. Less lately though. It's been maturing, and it's maturing pretty quickly, but I'm making more money trading than investing in DAPPS. Alright, but I have a couple DAPPS. I have this one here, one up, which is awesome. Basically, you just deposit your TRX. You start at 1%. Every day, the payback increases by 0.02%. Right now, I'm all the way up to 1.64%, and you just keep getting a daily return. I had planned on keep reinvesting until it hits 900 Tron, and then just leave it. I think I started out with about 400 Tron. So I've also, was it 400? Actually, maybe about 600. 600, I think. Yeah, was it? Or okay, I don't remember the exact number, but let's say between 400 and 600 Tron I originally deposited into this contract. Now it's at 849. I'm just gonna keep reinvesting. I just thought of a strategy, right? Once this gets to 900 Tron, I'm gonna leave it, let it just build up, because every time you reinvest, it costs you about 2 Tron just in energy. At least cost me about 2 Tron just in energy. Alright, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let my account build up. Alright, once it builds up, every day I will be earning an increase increasing amount of TRON, of daily returns, right? Every day. So I'm just gonna let that keep building up. Not gonna reinvest anymore, because I notice the contract is pulling back a little bit, very small amount, but you know, this contract is really designed for longevity. But one thing I noticed with these daily ROI games, you get burned if you try to get too greedy. Alright, I'm already in profit, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sit back, let this grow, the amount I can pull out by just hitting this withdraw button. I'm gonna let that grow, right? And that's, once it reaches about 2%, I'm probably gonna make it go for like another week or two. I'm gonna be watching this number, actually. Definitely gonna be watching this number closely, but I'm just gonna wait till it hits 2%, hits the 2%, and by that time this is gonna be a big fat bag. This will probably be about, I don't know, it's gonna be a lot. Once I do that, pull it out, see what's, and then I'm gonna observe what's happening with this, and depending on what happens, I'll exit the game. Once you exit the game, you can only exit with half of what you initially invested, only half. So it's you have to leave half on the platform for the other players that come after you. But yeah, so that's how I'm playing this. What else do I have going on here? Star roll, a casino, and a daily ROI all wrapped up into one. So you gamble, you win a token called Star. If you burn it, you collect daily dividends off the platform, or you can just keep the token and go trade it, whatever you want to do. So burnt mine, and I actually gambled about 8. So this didn't work out for me. I don't think I'm not getting any profit out of this. I'm basically just gonna get my money back, because I started out with about 810 approximately. I don't remember the exact number, but it was just a little bit over 800 TRON, and I gambled, run some star tokens, burned the tokens, and my profits are capped at 810. So I didn't really make any money, but maybe, I think it's because I just didn't gamble well enough. Anyway, so, but still definitely a good platform. It's doing exactly what it says it's gonna do. I think the advertisement is a little bit misleading. Get 150% returns in as soon as 5 days. I don't see how that's happening, but they say that's what it does. But anyways, awesome game, still awesome concept. Tron WoW still paying out every day. They're paying out in WoW tokens. What I'm doing, I'm just collecting the tokens, and I'm just gonna sell them for now. See how it performs. They do seem to be doing pretty decent though. Some guys still supporting them. I'm not playing any games. I'm not reinvesting. I'm just taking out the profits and selling them for Tron. Alright, so anyway guys, that's it for me. Would really appreciate it if you like my videos, share. Alright, so Steemy Coinz signing out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.